Have you ever wondered how your computer processor runs so fast? It's not just about raw speed or electricity. It's actually about magic. Well, not real magic, but a clever trick called branch prediction. Today, we are going to explore how your central processing unit basically acts like a fortune teller, guessing what your code is going to do before it actually does it. To understand why we need to guess the future, we first need to look at how a CPU works. Imagine a factory assembly line. We call this the pipeline. To be efficient, the processor breaks down instructions into steps, fetching the command, decoding what it means, and executing it. It tries to fill this pipeline so that every part of the factory is busy at the same time. But there is a major problem with this assembly line approach. It's called the conditional jump or the if statement. When the processor sees code like, if x is greater than 10, it hits a fork in the road. It doesn't know which path to take until it actually does the math, but doing the math takes time. So the processor has two choices. Option 1, it can stop the assembly line and wait. This is safe, but it wastes precious time while the factory sits idle. Option 2, it can guess. This is called speculative execution. The processor picks a path and just starts running down it, hoping it's the right one. Speculative execution is the secret sauce of modern speed. The CPU acts like a runner who doesn't stop at a fork in the road. It just sprints down the path it thinks is most likely. It executes instructions, loads data, and does real work, all based on a prediction. But what happens if the runner guessed wrong? This is called a misprediction. When the CPU realizes it went down the wrong path, it has to throw away all that work. This is known as a pipeline flush. It's like emptying the entire factory assembly line and starting over. It is costly, but as long as the CPU guesses right most of the time, it is still worth it. So how does the computer make good guesses? It uses something called a branch history table. Think of it as a scorecard. The CPU remembers every time it encountered a specific if statement, and it records whether it took the jump or not. If it took the left path the last 5 times, it will probably take the left path again. Engineers have made these predictors very smart. They use systems like saturating counters. Instead of just flipping between yes and no, these counters have states like strongly taken or weakly taken. This means one unusual result won't immediately confuse the predictor. It needs to be wrong twice before it changes its mind about the pattern. Thanks to these clever algorithms, modern processors have an accuracy rate of over 95%. Some high-end chips even use simple neural networks, a type of artificial intelligence, right inside the hardware to learn complex patterns in your software. To wrap up, remember that your CPU is constantly gambling on your code's future. It uses pipelines for speed, but if statements create hazards. To solve this, it uses branch prediction to guess the way forward and speculative execution to run ahead. It's a fascinating example of how hardware engineering works around logical problems to give us the speed we enjoy today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.